So what we want to do today is see whether Google AI Studio is able to generate text which are right, and one of the things is create storybooks. So one of the problem while using AI is कि text गड़बड़ आता है, and Google AI Studio says that they have launched a new tool and that can allow us to write text within a photos without any mistakes. In ChatGPT, this is the biggest problem, or in Midjourney, this is the biggest problem. So what most people do is they take an image that they generate from Midjourney or AI and then put that image into Canva, right? Most people use this in the marketing domain and then write the text over it, adjust the font. So I'm not sure, but one of the mails from Google AI Studio says that this is now live, and they are also saying you can generate storybooks. So let's see, test out if this works. Only add, does this AI work? First thing that we are going to do is go to this website AI Studio, and the prompt, if you can see URL, I will write the URL in the description. So we go here and say, I want to generate a birthday card for my daughter. Her name is Advita and she is 6 years old. She loves chocolates, and I want to see chocolates falling and very celebratory. Okay, let's see. It also allows you to add image, etc. I am right now not adding that. I am just keeping it here and I am trying to press enter and run it, right? We keep everything same and let's see what this gives us. So you see, it has done a very interesting thing. The spelling is absolutely bang on, right? There is no problem, ADDVITA, and interestingly, it has written it with chocolates and made it look very nice. What I can do is I can edit this prompt. Okay, let me try to edit this prompt. It allows you to edit your prompt. Say it has to be a 3D image and beautiful kids vibe. Say for example, I complete the editing here and I hope I can rerun this turn. So this is the Gemini icon you could see. So you see, it has added layers of it, right? But what it did was change the small caps to large cap in the small caps letters, all content. I don't know. I will try to write it here and let's see if it picks up the same variations. No, it added extra D. So you see, the AI in first instance gives me answers, but this AI is not able to make edits on the images on the go. So what is the verdict from does this AI work? The first thing that we have to do and understand is, yes, we are able to generate right text on a single image, but it is not possible to edit on the image. You still have to do the background creation here and then write text on a Canva or a Photoshop depending on what your use is. So I hope this really helps and thank you for following. Follow for part 2 where I will help generate a complete comic 3D cartoon book for kids, for giving it to people using AI, and we will see does that AI work. How do you like this? Do you like these kind of content? Please let me know in the comments below. So the verdict is the Google AI Studio image generation. Yes, it does the right text creation, but what is not able to do, it is not able to change the text the way we want it with multiple prompts. Simple भाषा में text लिख सकते हो सही, पर उस text को आप edit नहीं कर सकते. So that's